Cheers, boys. Cheers, cheers, cheers. I don't know if it's my leg hair or the mosquitoes, but like, there's hella mosquitoes here. There's one in my room, yeah. So
Pistons left and right after this.
Wow.
Damn, that's crazy. So refreshing.
there's a lot of Indian places.
Indian, I get. That's like Thai, Indian, like
My speakers.
Look at this. Holy shit, dude, this is so beautiful. Holy fuck. Dude.
That's the most beautiful thing in the world.
Yeah, the water's hella clear too.
How do you know what your pants is doing anymore?
Dude, Jen hated this? Dude, ow.
Hey Jen, we're glad you're not here.
Yeah. She's like, sucks. Dude.
Jen was like, boring.
I've seen better. Put it anywhere. Dude, the water's so clear here too. Yeah.
Ladybug, I can't see. He's like, should I sell this guy something? Game losses.
Dude, don't. You want to see something more beautiful?
I feel like, what? The boat just goes vertical. We look over, he's in a spacesuit. We're like, what the
Yeah, it's be sick.
We're like, alright, fine. I guess this is more beautiful.
I'm taking it.
What's it called?
I don't want this day to end. Yeah. We did another t-shirt? Keep going up. Hey, run back.
The best day of my life.
Yeah.
Best day of my life.
It was so perfect. Steps are really short. Thank you. Want to get a table here? Oh, we're gonna elevate it?
There's a higher floor.
Oh my god. It's beautiful.
Please press the crucial stop tube, sir, and please don't touch the wall because under the platform is moving up.
Roller coaster?
Yeah.
Press it.
Dude, what the heck? Dude, Thailand's sick.
Dude, this has to be taller than where I was yesterday.
There's just one room up there.
Dude, this is pretty high, dude.
Do our friends know where to go?
Huh?
Do our friends know where to go?
They should know we're at the very top, I feel like. It's kind of hot in here.
Yeah.
Don't touch the wall.
Dude, we can go even higher. Oh, it's the same bridge?
No. You walk up here.
I was like,
Does she have a speed elevator?
We have 4 right now, but 4
no, sit up there. I think. Yeah, this is hella sick. You just have to do work tomorrow?
Hey.
These pants are here.
Oh, but.
Thank you.
Queen, broken hair, so hard
start doing that.
They're all really, I know, back at home. Hey, what's up, ass?
They're like, who the fuck are you?
Right here. I know, who the fuck? Sing them up. Thank you. Let's go. You're the best.
They're not all the same in like Korea or like Singapore.
Yeah. Hey, so you down to come back to Thailand?
Yeah, I want to check out like Chiang Mai and stuff.
Yeah.
I heard it's hella sick.
Let's come back when it's even hotter.
Yeah, I'm down. Dude, I can't imagine how much hotter it could get.